YouTube, how you doing, Earthlings? Oh dear, is it coffee? Right, welcome to part 4 of my MD-1 robot, the Matt Dixon inspired robot. Anyway, this is what I've done. Let's see. What can you see on there? Just move that around a bit like that. Right. So, I had that ball joint thing on the end of here, and I've stuck it on here after giving it a bit of a trim up. I thought I'd give it, so he's facing that way, he's got a bit of a sort of a throat almost design there. And the ball I've stuck on here, I just done loads of scratchies on the surface with one of these little discs, and a bit of cross hatching all over on both sides. And I was going to put some bicarbonate of soda on, so I've done this one, and I thought, right, I've got to do it on the next one. Got this one, stuck it on without any bicarbonate of soda again, but doesn't matter, it seems to be on there pretty well, and that's how much movement he's got in his head, and I'm really very pleased with that. And it's nice stiffness. It's like having a little doll to play with, actually. But anyway, yeah, I've decided I want to articulate all the joints, really, even the fingers. So in here you'll see I've done a hole and I've put in a magnet, but originally I was going to use these balls in here and then try and put a magnet on there or something and have another magnet in there, but that wouldn't have worked. So then I went on to the idea of ditching the magnets idea and just going with these beads and having a bit of wire going through, hence the aluminium armature wire. And then I was testing to see if my lollipop sticks go on there so I can do the arms and things. And then I thought, well, it's only going to have sort of movement sort of that way. I'm never going to be able to sort of twist it around. And then I thought, have I got any metal ball bearings? So I found, oops, where's that gone? Come on, you little bugger. Oh, right, yeah, these little ball bearings. So put a hole in, put a magnet in there, and they